Malta jipossa bih bi-storja rikka li hi taħlita ta' postijiet differenti waqt li toffri crew ta' esperjenza. Dan kien kliem mit-tim tal-produzzjoni tas-serje internazzjonali Has Fallen li minn Mejju li għadda bdiet tinġibed f'pajjiżna. Is-serje segwi films fil-passat bħal Angel Has Fallen u London Has Fallen bis-sem anke tal-attur Morgan Freeman. Il-producer tas-serje tkellem dwar l-importanza tas-sistema tat-tax rebate li titħaddem f'pajjiżna.
The tax credit in Malta, the rebate, is very good and works very well.
Membri tal-crew fosthom id-direttriċi Alice Strotin u l-attur Tifħir Lill-Industrija il-kol tkellmu dwar is-sentiment pożittiv din l-esperjenza li qed ikollhom f'pajjiżna.
We love Malta. I mean, the history of Malta is completely fascinating. And to be in a place where you walk around the corner and it's just there. In every building, there's some complicated history and some fascinating history. I really love that, and I think we've all enjoyed that. And we've enjoyed the sun and the food, obviously.
So it offers a great variety of places to shoot in that have very different atmospheres and feelings, but yet they're so close together that actually it means that you can move to them within a day, which is fantastic.
When I got there, it felt home. The Mediterranean vibe. It reminds me of Marseille, south of France, a little bit. A little bit of everything that I've known reunited in one place.
My overall experience shooting in Malta has been great. I love it here. I think it's this magical island.
Sa dan it-tant fi żjara li għamlu fuq parti mis-sett il-Ministru għall-Kultura l-Artijiet u l-Gvern Lokali Owen Bonnici u l-Kummissarju tal-Films Johan Grek iltaqgħu mal-crew tal-produzzjoni, inkluż l-atturi u t-tim artistiku. Din il-produzzjoni internazzjonali li għandha fostna sa Settembru li ġej qed tara s-sem ta' 166 Malti bħala parti mit-tim. Wara din il-produzzjoni jirriżulta li wkoll hemm l-attur famuż Skoċċiż Gerard Butler li kellu wkoll ir-rwol ewlieni fil-films fl-aħħar snin. Interessanti il-fatt li 47% tal-produzzjoni tas-serje se tinġibed f'pajjiżna, fejn jidhru wkoll diversi postijiet magħrufin bħal Ground Nazzjonali f'Taqali, it-training grounds tal-Forzi Armati ta' Malta f'Pembroke u l-ħabs ta' Kordin.